Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐿 here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review training and tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the, let me look at what I'm talking about. I'm going to be sharing the 4 types of content that you need to be posting on social media for more leads and sales. Okay, so this is the exact strategy. If you can see, I've made over $3,000 with Infinity Processing System, and pretty passively, and it comes from the type of content that I post on social media. This is the same type of content that our members that are in the proof group that are getting results. This is the same type of content that they're posting. You know, they're able to make, you know, $150 commissions, $300 commissions, all from these strategies that they learn in the Infinity Processing System back office membership area and training packages. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Infinity Processing System and how you can earn $300 and $150 commissions with no monthly fees and actually learn how to be a better affiliate marketer, check out beneath this video. But let me jump right into the actual training. So we're going to talk about 3 types of content that you should be leveraging to get more leads and sales in your affiliate business. So the first type of content is what you're watching right now, which is a review, right? Well, this isn't a full review, but how to do a YouTube review. Okay, so whatever you're promoting, you need to know how to do a YouTube review. A YouTube product review is where you essentially walk through the product and you talk to them about what it is, who it's for, what they get, who created it, what are the pros and cons, and do you recommend it. Essentially, that's the flow, right? You can also do reviews on the back office, the product, things like that. You essentially walk through every facet of the product and you make a video on it. What a lot of affiliate marketers think that they have to flash money and they have to constantly talk about money to make sales. And it's actually in being an ambassador for your product, reviewing your product, and actually showing people how they can make the product work for themselves. So you want to learn how to leverage YouTube reviews, and also because YouTube is search traffic, so it makes people find you versus trying to convince people and also always having to be on social media and post your life away. If you learn how to do YouTube reviews as the foundation of your business, you can always add on social traffic, but YouTube traffic should be the focus of, it should be the foundation that you build your marketing strategy on. So learn how to do YouTube reviews. That's one type of content that you could be posting for more leads, visibility, and sales. If you want to learn how to do a YouTube review, when you come, if you're a pro member and you come here in the Infinity Processing System, you click on YouTube automation. Right here, there's a video called How to Structure Your Video for Success, and she actually walks you through how to do a YouTube review. Okay, so that's one piece of content that you could post for more leads and sales on your social media. Number 2, you can do a tutorial or how-to. I want you to think about doing how-to videos related to your product or service, thinking from the framework of a person who might want to get your product or service, but they might need a little bit help of knowing how to use it. So for example, in Infinity Processing System, when you come in the system, one of the things that you need to do immediately is, hold on one second, go over here. Like one of your first videos could be how to get started. That could be a how-to tutorial. You could literally make a video, say how to get started with Infinity Processing System. And all you would do is literally watch this video and just make a video about it. Like literally repeat what it's saying in the video so they don't, you know, if a person wanted to get started and they were wondering what's the process, you could do that. And what that does is it helps your audience see that you're a person who wants to help people who are looking to get started with you, right? And that's what it's about. Another thing you can do is, like for example, one of the things you need to learn how to do to be successful with this system is you need to set up your payment buttons. You could do a video, that's a tutorial opportunity, right? A how-to video. How you could do a video, how to order your website. These are all things that you can do. These are how-to videos. All, you know, let's say, let me get out of IPS and just give another example. Let's say you were promoting 𝐷 system, which is a autoresponder system, but it's also a training platform. But let's say you were promoting 𝐷 system. One of the tutorials that you could do is how to set up your 𝐷 system, right? Or how to set up your autoresponder messages, right? So you want to be that person. And those types of videos, you will attract people who are looking for a sponsor who is not only knowledgeable of the product that they're promoting, they're ambassador for the product they're promoting, but they're looking for someone who's that person, and you can be that person. So when people say, oh, someone's a guru, right? All it just means is they have a little bit more time in the game and a little bit more experience, but you can do that too, right? You have access to all the same platforms that are free. You have access, you can have access to all the same training if you invest in it, and you just have to do the same things long enough, and you could become that person too. I'm giving you the strategy. Okay, so tutorials or how-to videos. The next type of content that you want to post for more leads and sales is proof and testimonials. Okay, so, you know, hopefully you have proof and testimonials this is nothing that gets beginners kind of caught up, is they think that it has to be their proof and testimonials. No, it has to be proof and testimony of people getting results with the product, service, opportunity. It does not have to be your own results. You're essentially going to learn how to shout out people who are getting results with your product, service, or opportunity. Okay, this is a method that Adriana actually teaches in the IPS system. If you come over to Facebook Marketing Mastery, this is something that she teaches in this section here, how to actually shout out teammates. You're not saying it's your result, but you're learning how to leverage that proof and testimonial to help you in your marketing efforts. You can do the same thing. I don't care what you promote. If there's a weight loss opportunity, whatever, your affiliate for that, you can do the same thing. Okay. Also, so you definitely want to leverage proof and testimonials. And then as you get your own, certainly make sure that you share that proof and testimonials, and share with people how you got to that. You know, how did you get that testimonial? You know, why are you proud of that? What did you experience before? It's almost like sharing a little bit of a story with that testimony. So it's not braggadocious, but you're like, listen, this is what I went through. I'm so excited. This is why I'm excited about this result, right? The next type of content that you can post for more leads and sales is sharing your updates of your progress and your journey. And sorry, my eyes are pollen. So again, a lot of beginners think that it's all about sharing, oh my God, I made this money. But for example, if you're with IPS and you were never able to get leads until you got with IPS, that's an actual result, an update that you could share. By leveraging the strategies in IPS, I have been able to, you know, to get leads for the first time in my affiliate business consistently from these strategies, right? You know, if you were promoting a weight loss offer and you started to, because of the community, right, your tribe or whatever, your community, for the first time, you're starting to have awareness about what you put on your plate. That's progress. Progress doesn't mean that you reached the finish line. It means that you're taking steps towards a different you, a better affiliate, a better weight loss, whatever it is that you're promoting, right? A better email marketer, things like that. So these are the things, right? So you definitely want to share updates and progress of your own journey. That's going to inspire the people who are watching, you know, your channel, your social media posts, things like that. Share your journey. Share your excitement about what it is that you're promoting, why you're excited for people to actually have that for themselves. Share the progress that you're getting on your journey. These are all 4 types of content that you can rinse and repeat. And again, she teaches you the nitty gritty of how to do that. But these are the 4 pieces of content that over and over and over again, this will generate you more leads and more sales. And again, I would definitely start with number 1, which is YouTube reviews. And then those, you know, do those tutorials, share your proof and testimonials. And you can share proof and testimonials in your YouTube videos as well. You can share your update and progress and updates as a YouTuber. You could do a video update, you know, how I made my first sale with whatever. Do a video on that. These are 4 types of videos. You can never run out of content. All right. So I hope this is of value to you. If you're ready to get started with an affinity processing system and want to learn how to be a better affiliate marketer, and you want to earn $300, $150 commissions with no monthly fees, check out beneath this video. Go ahead and position yourself. Remember, I give access to my bonuses for those who position themselves at Elite and Pro. And smash the subscribe button. Reach out if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.